Okay, so what we play Rina? What?
ESBN Untitled Tag Game.
White bet. Why,
Just go to my
bro?
private server. Go to my private server.
Bro, hindi sa private server ko na. Go to mine. Go to mine.
We 1v1, but please do not use Tatsumaki.
Go to mine.
Okay. Don't use Tatsumaki. Or else
You already
I will-
know. I am using Genos. I am a god at Genos already. Killed 50
No.
players using Genos. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna destroy you.
With what?
I'm the one who taught you how to play this game.
No, my friend Yosh did. Yosh.
How dare you, Mr. Carlo, Mr. Carlo Batumbakal. How dare you?
I am already. We just go for 10 minutes. 5 minutes in this game. 1v1 here, then Untitled Tag. 3. You ready, man? You ready, my guy? My guy, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, do I start?
Wait. No, not yet.
Go faster.
Let me record.
Should I pause the recording?
I'm done recording.
I'll pause the recording.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm stupid. Okay,
I'm
let's
literally
go.
lagging right
Let's
now.
go. Oh no, what is bro doing? Bro, fought the consecutive. Wait, this shouldn't be allowed. Genos versus Saitama? What?
You not hit me.
Haha, I missed.
I'm gay. Hey,
Wait, you're gay?
no.
You are.
Alive.
You said.
Actually, that's kind of true. But I'm not sure.
Hey yo.
I'm not sure.
I think I am lagging the rider.
You look like your name is Kevin De Bruyne.
How do you know? His blood lagging.
Kevin De Bruyne.
Are you lagging?
Kind of.
Who said who was gonna destroy me?
Your mama.
Oh, freak.
Bro, Tekimi Camacho Ramirez, I beat you in a game. Ooh!
Ugh.
Ow. I beat you in the game.
I
Tell
beat
your
you.
dad.
Tell your dad I beat you.
Tell your dad Kini Camacho Ramirez.
No! Die.
Ow. Okay, let's go Untitled Family.
Okay. We'll be right back. I will literally pause this recording. I am in Friday right now, bro. Okay, guys, I just turned on the recording again. Sorry for the inconvenience, even though it's literal just 1 second for y'all. Where the are you, mother? Where the hell are you? Please. Okay.
Wait!
I'm gonna pause the recording, guys. It's just gonna be 1 second.
I
Finally.
keep every animal. I carry Drogo.
Okay. Okay.
I keep
Okay.
Drogo.
One song. Oh, I pick. I pick.
You pick. I'm second.
I pick. I pack.
You pick. I don't. Man.
Well, then.
Bro, what's happening? Eh, I'm lagging again. I'm lagging. Okay, there it goes.
E/E.
Bro, I'm ready.
Are you
I'm
saying
ready.
E/E/E? What?
Bundy. Okay, lag-
God damn it. I pause recording. Oh, God, bro, do I just pause the recording or what? Or do I end it?
Wanna play Souls RNG?
Do I
Let's play Souls
do
RNG.
end the recording?
End it and then start a new one.
Why? I'm also still gonna post this.
Because oh
Okay, I will end.